In 1995, a developer named Brendan Eich sat down at Netscape and built a programming language in just 10 days. He called it Mocha, then LiveScript, and finally JavaScript, a name chosen more for marketing than accuracy. Netscape needed a lightweight scripting language to bring interactivity to static web pages, and Eich delivered one at a speed that would define the language's scrappy, evolving character for decades to come. JavaScript emerged from a whirlwind of innovation and competition in May 1995, when Brendan Eich, working at Netscape, was given just 10 days to invent a scripting language that would bring interactivity to the static web. The project began under the name Mocha, shifted to LiveScript, and finally landed on JavaScript, a strategic branding move meant to capitalize on the Java craze of the era, despite the two languages sharing little more than a C-inspired syntax. The urgency driving its creation was fueled by a race with Microsoft, as Netscape scrambled to secure dominance in the rapidly expanding browser market. This pressure shaped JavaScript's early quirks and set the stage for its relentless pace of change. From these origins, JavaScript has grown into the core technology of the modern web. Nearly every website and web application relies on it to deliver dynamic, interactive experiences. Its influence now stretches far beyond browsers. Node.js has turned JavaScript into a powerful server-side language, while frameworks like React Native and Electron allow developers to build mobile and desktop applications using a single codebase. The language's single-threaded event loop, a defining technical feature, enables asynchronous operations and non-blocking input-output, making it possible to create responsive interfaces and scalable servers without the complexity of manual thread management. The NPM registry, now the largest software package repository in the world, supports a thriving ecosystem of open-source libraries and tools. Modern JavaScript includes features such as arrow functions, classes, and async await, which have transformed it from a simple scripting tool into a language capable of supporting complex, large-scale applications. As of 2026, over 98% of all public websites depend on JavaScript for client-side functionality, underscoring its ubiquity and adaptability. JavaScript's story is one of rapid invention and constant reinvention. Its evolution has shaped not only how software is built, but also how people interact with technology across platforms, making it the universal language that defines the digital experience. Number 2 on our list, Python began as a personal project by Guido van Rossum, who released the first version in 1991. His goal was to create a language that felt like executable pseudocode, emphasizing clarity, readability, and ease of use over cryptic syntax. Drawing inspiration from ABC and Modula 3, Python introduced indentation-based structure and a comprehensive standard library, embodying the batteries-included philosophy. This design made Python especially approachable for beginners, while remaining powerful enough for experienced developers. Today, Python is the backbone of data and machine learning, with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch driving research and industry adoption. It powers web backends through Django and Flask, automates repetitive tasks, and is a mainstay in introductory programming courses worldwide. The language's dynamic typing and interpreted execution make prototyping fast, while its plain syntax and the Zen of Python encourage code that is easy to read and maintain. Python's package ecosystem, managed through pip and PyPI, has enabled a vast community to share reusable modules, accelerating development across fields from finance to genomics. Its influence extends into other languages, inspiring features in Ruby and Go, and shaping how developers think about programming as a craft. The migration from Python 2 to Python 3, though controversial due to backward incompatibilities, ultimately strengthened the language's Unicode support and consistency. As a result, Python continues to thrive as a flexible tool for everything from scripting to large-scale systems, valued for its simplicity and versatility. Java emerged in 1995 from the labs of Sun Microsystems, led by James Gosling, at a time when the software world was grappling with a maze of incompatible platforms. The language's central promise, write once, run anywhere, spoke directly to developers exhausted by the constant rewrites demanded by C and C++. Java's approach was radical for its era, source code compiled into bytecode, which could then be executed on any machine equipped with a Java virtual machine. This abstraction from hardware and operating system specifics meant that software could finally move freely across desktops, servers, and later, mobile devices without the need for extensive modification. The result was a language that rapidly became the backbone of enterprise computing, where reliability and cross-platform compatibility were non-negotiable. Java's influence can be traced through the infrastructure of modern technology. It powers the back-end systems of banks, airlines, and retailers, quietly handling millions of transactions every day. Android, the world's most widely used mobile operating system, relies on Java as its primary language, cementing Java's presence in billions of smartphones. Big data frameworks like Hadoop and Spark are built on Java, enabling the analysis of massive datasets that drive decision-making in industries from healthcare to finance. The language's ecosystem is rich and mature, anchored by frameworks such as Spring and Jakarta EE, which provide the scaffolding for scalable, secure web services. Tools like Maven and Gradle streamline dependency management and build automation, making large-scale software projects more manageable. Java's statically typed, object-oriented structure encourages clear, maintainable code. Features like automatic garbage collection protect against memory leaks and pointer errors that once plagued developers. Regular updates through the OpenJDK project ensure that Java evolves alongside changing technology, introducing performance improvements and new language features while maintaining backward compatibility. With a global community of millions of developers and a vast library of open-source tools, Java remains a language of choice for mission-critical applications. Its careful balance of portability, safety, and performance has allowed it to adapt across decades, securing its place as a foundation of modern computing. Number 4 on our list, C was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs between 1969 and 1973 as the core language for re-implementing the Unix operating system. Ritchie's goal was to create a tool that combined the raw efficiency of assembly with enough abstraction to make code portable across hardware. Drawing on earlier languages like B and BCPL, C introduced a minimal runtime and direct access to memory through pointers, a feature that allowed programmers to interact closely with the underlying machine. This balance of power and portability set C apart from its contemporaries and established it as the foundation for systems programming. C continues to be the language of choice for operating system kernels, embedded firmware, and performance-critical libraries. Its influence extends to the core of modern computing. C is the language in which many higher-level languages and compilers themselves are implemented. The language's manual memory management and static typing give developers precise control over resource allocation, but also demand careful attention to avoid bugs like buffer overflows or memory leaks. Tools such as GCC and Clang remain central to the C development ecosystem, while the make-build system automates compilation for large projects. The language's syntax and semantics have shaped the design of C++, Java, C#, and many others, making it the progenitor of a vast programming family tree. C's enduring relevance lies in its simplicity and its unparalleled ability to bridge the gap between hardware and software. For decades, it has defined how engineers think about performance, portability, and the foundations of code. Number 5 on our list, C++, began as Bjarne Stroustrup's experiment at Bell Labs in 1979, originally dubbed C with classes. Stroustrup set out to blend the raw speed and low-level control of C with the new wave of object-oriented programming, introducing features like classes, inheritance, and strong type checking. By 1983, the language was renamed C++, signaling an evolutionary step rather than a break from its C roots. The first commercial release arrived in 1985, accompanied by a technical report that outlined the ambition of C++: to enable large-scale, maintainable software without sacrificing performance. C++ quickly became the backbone of high-performance computing, powering everything from game engines such as Unreal to real-time financial systems and scientific simulations. Its standard template library, STL, introduced generic programming and reusable algorithms, while tools like CMake and compilers including MS, VC, GCC, and Clang support fast cross-platform codebases. Manual memory management and static typing give developers granular control, but also demand careful handling to avoid errors. Template metaprogramming, a defining trait, allows for compile-time abstraction and optimization on a scale unmatched by most other languages. The language's evolution, adding features like exceptions, namespaces, and smart pointers, reflects its commitment to both backward compatibility and modern programming needs. C++ remains a language of choice for performance-critical applications where every cycle and byte matter. Its influence stretches across the software landscape, shaping the design of Java, C#, and even Rust, and ensuring its relevance in both legacy and cutting-edge systems. C# emerged at the turn of the millennium, crafted by Anders Hejlsberg and a team at Microsoft to serve as the backbone of .NET. The language was conceived to blend the familiarity of C-style syntax with the safety and productivity demanded by modern enterprise development. Microsoft aimed for a language that could stand shoulder to shoulder with Java, but with a sharper focus on component-based software engineering and seamless integration with the common language runtime. From its inception, C# introduced features that set it apart. Properties and events streamlined object-oriented programming. Delegates enabled flexible event handling, and a unified type system reduced common sources of bugs. These choices reflected a desire to make large-scale software projects more reliable and maintainable. Over the past 2 decades, C# has grown into a versatile tool powering everything from high-traffic web services built with ASP.NET Core to cross-platform mobile apps via Xamarin and .NET MAUI. Its reach extends into the world of gaming, where Unity's engine relies on C# for scripting some of the most successful titles in the industry. The language's continuous evolution has brought advanced features like async await, which simplifies asynchronous programming, and pattern matching, which enhances code clarity. Linky introduced a way to write expressive, type-safe queries directly in code, while record types made immutable data modeling straightforward, a boon for modern application architectures. Automatic memory management through garbage collection, combined with static typing, helps developers avoid entire classes of errors. Visual Studio's integrated tooling, including IntelliSense and refactoring support, further accelerates development and enforces best practices. The NuGet package manager has fostered a thriving ecosystem of libraries, making it easier to build on the work of others. C# code compiles to intermediate language, executed by the .NET Common Language Runtime, which enables cross-language interoperability and platform independence across Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. This design has allowed C# to adapt to cloud computing, IoT, and microservices, maintaining relevance as software development paradigms shift. Microsoft's vision for C# was always about unification, drawing on the strengths of C, C++, and Java, but forging a distinct path with features tailored for the realities of modern software. Number 7 on our list, Go, often called Golang, was developed at Google by Robert Griesemer, Rob Pike, and Ken Thompson, with its first public release in 2009. The language began as an internal project in 2007 aimed at addressing the growing complexity of large-scale software at Google. Its creators drew on their experience with C, but set out to deliver a language that would simplify systems programming while offering modern features for cloud infrastructure. Go's syntax is concise and familiar to those who know C, but the language departs from tradition with its built-in concurrency model. Goroutines, lightweight managed threads, allow developers to handle thousands of concurrent tasks with ease, while channels provide a safe way to communicate between them. This approach, inspired by the communicating sequential processes model, makes Go especially well-suited for building scalable network servers, microservices, and distributed systems. Go compiles to native binaries, is statically typed, and includes a garbage collector, striking a balance between performance and safety. Its toolchain, centered on the Go command, automates formatting, dependency management, and testing, making it easy to maintain consistent code bases across teams. The language's standard library is extensive, covering everything from HTTP servers to cryptography out of the box. In practice, Go has become the backbone of cloud-native technologies. Docker and Kubernetes, 2 pillars of modern infrastructure, are both written in Go. The language's focus on simplicity and clarity encourages readable code, while its concurrency features enable high-throughput applications without the pitfalls of manual thread management. by emphasizing fast compilation, static binaries, and a minimalistic design. Go has won favor among engineers building the next generation of web services and cloud platforms. Across all these languages, one pattern stands out. Every major advance in software comes from a language designed for a specific need, then adapted far beyond its origins. From web browsers to data science and infrastructure, purpose shapes innovation, and innovation reshapes purpose. The languages we use aren't just tools. They're living frameworks that define what technology can achieve today and tomorrow.